While the majority of the digital currencies zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of, and exchange. There are not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their consideration regarding advanced publicizing or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Theta organization and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary standards fundamentally have attacked the much sought-after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high-positioned in every way that really matters is Theta in an unobtrusive way. Fellow benefactor Steve Chen and his committed company of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto upheld him. Theta is an especially token that controls Theta's decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients and a creative new blockchain. Theta is an open-source convention reason work to drive the for the most part decentralized streaming organization and takes into consideration fundamentally vertical decentralized applications to be based on top of the stage to empower esport, music, television, motion pictures, training, undertaking conferencing, distributed streaming, and more. To by and large set it forth plainly, in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm excited and delighted to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time. Since innovation has begun being the predominant figure the decentralized shared network, Theta will tackle a large portion of it. With the outstanding development in the computerized promoting area, it is colossally pivotal that there is a harmony accomplished among sponsors, distributors, and end clients. The value journey of Theta sort of has been created with huge cost changes. In 2018, it had quite recently begun its excursion with a cost of around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost genuinely somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the very outset to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a noteworthy excursion till mid-2021, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a very safe recuperation and by and large figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token generally is around $1.09 in an unpretentious manner. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships. At the hour of composing this Theta cost forecast, the ongoing cost of Theta is $1.09, and information demonstrates that the resource cost could for the most part recuperate in the impending days. The exchanging volume has been $19,418,694 with a market cap of $1,072,552,386 and a flowing stockpile of 1 billion Theta. Or so they in a real sense thought. Our crypto figure thinks about genuinely a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins, which really is genuinely huge. We foresee the eventual fate of the Theta coin in a comparative technique. How about we investigate Theta organization cost expectation for the impending years? Theta value forecast 2023. Because of worldwide market vulnerability, the cost of digital currencies is probably going to for the most part influence substantially more or less. However, over the last lovely few days, the crypto market has denoted a critical recuperation. Alongside driving cryptos, the Theta coin has likewise reflected forward movement. Toward the finish of 2023, the Theta token cost could record a by and large greatest value level of $2.32, while the base cost may be around 96 cents. Theta crypto value expectation 2024. In light of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can especially hit a very limit of $2.88 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most minimal Theta organization cost will be around $2, and the truly normal Theta organization cost will exchange around $2.44. Theta value expectation 2025 to 2025 could stamp the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is in a real sense anticipated to outperform an especially normal cost of $3.05 definitely. According to our Theta coin cost expectation 2025, the crypto may record the scarcely the most exorbitant cost degree of $3.60, while the exceptionally least value level could essentially be around $2.50, or so they thought. Theta token value expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $3.94 in a fundamentally large manner. The really most extreme and least value levels may be around $4.65 and $3.23 individually, according to the Theta Cost Forecast 2026. Theta Forecast 2027 financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may effortlessly raise a ruckus around town mark toward the finish of 2027. On the drawback, it might tumble to the most minimal value level of around $4.10 as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are forecasts that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the greatest cost degree of $7.47 with a typical cost of $6.33. The base cost may be around $5.19 during the year. Theta organization value expectation 2029 of every 2029. The Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost figure. Financial backers might procure extraordinary benefits assuming that they contribute with impeccable timing. The greatest and least value levels may be around $9.10 and $6.32. Theta value expectation 2030 Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $9.93. Theta organization's base worth could come to $8.14. In view of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2030, we truly anticipate that the most extreme cost should be around $11.72. In light of our gauges, an extremely long-haul remedy basically is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is 53 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Your very current venture may really be degraded. Consequently, Theta can fundamentally be a terrible, high-risk speculation choice. According to the Estimate Information Examination, the cost of Theta is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30. Before the year's over 2024, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at a lease charge of $2.34. What's more, the Theta value is equipped for getting a greatest degree of $2.77 in an unobtrusive manner. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2023 the cost of Theta organization truly is gauged to be at around a base worth of $1.44. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.67 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.49. Is Theta a wise venture? A reasonable level of effort is generally prudent, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required on the off chance that you purchase or especially sell nicely, facing a calculative challenge in an unpretentious way. How much will Theta be for the most part worth in 2025, which is very critical, as indicated by the Theta coin cost forecast 2025. The normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.60 toward the finish of 2025. Where could I at any point purchase Theta in a significant manner? At this moment, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH money from Coinbase to that really unambiguous trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. Does Theta basically have a future? Theta fundamentally is one digital money that will essentially have an especially brilliant future, in spite of prevalent